Morning, everyone. We are on our way to Vancouver. Teresa and I. Hello, Teresa. Morning. Oh, and of course, the faithful friend Ginger. Hi, Ginger. Hey, puppy. So we're heading over to Vancouver to do some work for a couple days, which is new for Teresa and I. We both have meetings in Vancouver, some for Jeep Kitchen and some for fashion stuff. So we are on the ferry. Yeah,
it's gonna be a good day. It's like a good day to be on a ferry too.
It's very rainy and blustery. It'll be interesting to see how it all plays out. Yeah. Okay, we're on the ferry. We need some food. Teresa's on the phone. I'm hungry. Let's go eat. Teresa's just chatting with somebody about her perfume. I thought we'd check on the dog. But we're almost ready to get off the ferry, so the dog can come out of her kennel. See how she's doing. Hi, Ginger. Hey, puppy. Hey, puppy. Hey, puppy.
Okay, so we rescued Ginger. She's like...
We are off the ferry and we're heading to Chilliwack to go meet Pat Harrington. Interesting guy. Pat Harrington is another entrepreneur in the Jeep space. We're going to hang out with him and introduce him to the Jeep Kitchen and just learn a little bit about the industry from him.
And there are so many eagles. There's like 24 eagles right here.
Holy crow.
Like, just out the farmers section, coming off the ferry, there's so many eagles. Like,
here.
Oh my gosh, there's 3 more. Oh my gosh. Look, 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 look.
There's a batch of like 10 in a tree.
Here, that's eagles. It's full of eagles.
We have entered Chilliwack and we're gonna go to Starbucks and get a drink. Not because we're huge Starbucks. Well, Teresa likes the coconut milk there at Starbucks.
Yeah.
London Drugs. Oh, did I pass it?
Yeah, you did. I thought it was the turn.
Apparently I passed it. Okay, so funny. I ran out of room my SD card for some reason. I had all kinds of video on there left over. I hadn't cleared it out, so I just sat here clearing up my video. Now we're gonna get coffee. We are 15 minutes from arriving, but we had to stop after getting Starbucks and pick up a couple essentials at London Drugs. What would we do in Canada without London Drugs, really?
Go to Shoppers Drug Mart.
What would we do in Canada without London Drugs and Shoppers Drug Mart? The insoles in my my Blundstones were kaput, and well, Ginger ate them, so I needed new ones because I've been walking around just on the factory leather in the bottom, and I didn't realize how much that wasn't comfortable until we're off on our little trip. But we bought new ones and I put them in and they're awesome. I bought Dr. Scholl's. Does that mean I'm old?
No, everyone buys Dr. It's the only kind you can get practically.
I felt so old buying insoles for my shoes. See you in a second, Pat Harrington and your Trailskinz.
Water. Chilliwack water. Chilliwack water. We're like totally entertained. I'm like, Lord, don't distract me. We're just better entertained.
Ducks.
That's how nice to get back in the river.
Ginger's enjoying watching all the animals in the river. Awesome. And we're listening to some new Groovin'. And I had coffee, so I'm clearly waking up. right, that was awesome. Thanks so much for hanging out with us, Pat. It's great to see your little shop with your trail skins and stuff. So make sure you go support that guy. He's super nice and he's really supporting the whole Jeep community. So make sure you go and support him in what he does in selling his trail skins and stuff. They're pretty cool. They're little. It's like they have a little lab there, like just hanging out.
Yeah,
right?
they cuts a lot of it by hand, so he's like almost all by muscle memory, he says these days. And the cool part is his product doesn't rust. So there might be other, similar products out there, but his particular one is so great, and the touch, feeling, quality, you have to check it out.
Totally, and being handmade. How often do you get handmade stuff for your Jeep? Hey, it's like couture Jeep skins.
Oh, couture.
It's like dressing Jeeps in couture fashion. All right, guys, now we're heading off to meet some friends of ours that we met in Victoria completely by accident, but now we're in Vancouver meeting them completely on purpose. But we have to drive an hour. So I'm not gonna bore you with the drive. Or
It's
will
raining.
I? It's a rainy, ugly drive. Look,
Gross.
it's not really nice out.
There. Yay. Yuck.